Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of how to do like the slow-mo into normal motion. Here's an example. Okay, yeah, you get it. So the apps that you're going to need are your photos, whatever, TikTok, Prequal, and Video Star. And this is all free. So what you want to do is you want to go on TikTok and you want to record your video. This is the video. It's very awkward recording this video because, like, yeah, you get it. Yeah, it's, like, very awkward. Very awkward, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go to Video Star and you want to go to Edit Video. And you want to make sure you have this right here. Okay, you want to go to Edit Video. You want to go to your videos. And you want to go to this thing. Okay? And if you want, you can, I don't know, maybe, like, adjust it. Like that. Okay, now you want to make the video, make it, yeah. I don't know why I just said that, but, okay, so now that you have your video, now you want to choose, hold on, sorry. Now you want to choose, the videos you want it to be slow-mo. So here you go. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Right there. Then you want to go to edit. You want to go to a quick split or whatever it was called. I'm sorry, but the one that says quick, not multi. Then you want to put split. Then you want to keep on going. Then right there, that's where the slow-mo is going to stop. Split. And this little thing right here, that's where you're going to go to new. And you're going to go to motion. And you're going to go to slow section. Then you want to click apply. Then there it is. You want to put save, and there it is. Play date to you. And there it is. Then you just want to keep on getting your what's it called? Little clips that you split, and then you want to turn them into slow-mo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So again, quick split. Right there. Right there. Yeah, sure, whatever. Not really doing anything. Literally not doing nothing right there. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty boring part. But split it. Oh yeah, I forgot that I have to put slow-mo on them. Okay, again, go, go, go. This is gonna be pretty boring. Okay, motion, slow, apply, save. Slow, motion, apply, save. Whatever. Okay. Ooh, hold on. Okay, yeah. Because that part is weird. I don't know why. Okay. That was a weird part. Like, it was, like, super slow. But okay. And you could also, choose your speed down here where it says 50. But I just leave it at 50. Okay, and then just keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. And for some reason, it just, like, has, like, a normal thing to it. Okay, that's, like, really weird. Okay. Motion. Slow section. Apply. Save. Okay, and quick split again. Why isn't it going? Oh. Why aren't you going? Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Ew, why do I smile like that? Okay, whatever. Quick split. What is that? Okay, you know what? Split. split, split. I don't even know what I'm editing anymore. Okay. I believe I stop right there. Okay. Again, slow section. Pretty like self-explanatory actually. So again and again and again and again. Okay. I forget. Like, I honestly forget. I guess I'm just a play. I guess. So here's the result. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Yeah, it's pretty weird at the end, but now you just want to get out and save the video, send it to the camera roll. Okay, right after that you want to go to your last app, unless you're gonna post it on TikTok or on something else. You want to go to your, yes, I'm in the closet because that's the only place that's not loud. So now you want to go to your videos, and there you go, there's your video. I guess I'm just a play date to you. You want to go to too much. I guess I'm just a play date to you. And the saves right on your camera roll, and you're all ready to go. You're welcome. Bye.